to learn to do the cartwheel. Now the cartwheel's got a few different variations depending on whether you've done it before or how comfortable you are getting upside down. So the full version is something like this. Now that might seem a little intimidating if you've never done one before. So we're going to break it down. First variation is just going to be learning to get your hands on the ground. So you want to line your hands up so the fingers are pointing that way and they're lined up in line with your feet. So you come down to here and then just give it a little kick. That's your first step. Next one is we're going to figure out how to get to the other side. So same hand position, but this time we'll keep the feet nice and close to the ground, bring them in front of the hands, and then find our way to the next side. So it looks like this. Now you'll notice maybe that I'm not necessarily lining my hands all the way up with my feet. I'm shifting them off to one side just to make it a little bit easier for the beginner variation. So again, hands will come down, you can see just off to the side, and then kick it around, little jump, bring it over to the other side. As you feel more comfortable, then you can start bringing your feet higher up. Or higher still. Or all the way. You choose.